So far, we've printed every string on a new line. But what if you want to print more than one string on the same line, or split a string into two lines? Then there's also the issue of how to print text containing quotation marks when those marks normally mark the beginning and ending of the string value. Hi, I'm Annette Gauntlet. I'm the author of the Do-It-Yourself Java Games books. I teach Java programming through creating games. Welcome to the video version of my books. We're currently in the Text Games video series, TG, the first of 4 types of games series. The focus of this series is to cover the fundamentals of Java programming. This series has 16 projects. We're currently working on the first project, TG1, Hello World. This is the last lesson in the Hello World project. In this lesson, TG1.4, you'll learn how to join strings and to use the escape character to allow special characters in strings. Joining strings is fairly intuitive. Simply use a plus sign to join strings. We'll continue working with the Hello World class where we left off in lesson TG1.3. In exercise 1, you'll learn to join several strings into one string. Step 1. After setting the value for word 2, add a new string named statement, which joins word 1, word 2, and word 3. Remember, I stated earlier that you simply use a plus sign to join strings. Pause the video if you need more time. If you want to see how I would complete any of the listings, please refer to the completed listings at the end of this video. Step 2. Replace the 4 lines that printed word 2, word 1, word 2, and word 3 with one line of code to print statement. Run it. What happened? It should have printed the 3 words on one line, but there is no space between the words. In exercise 2, we'll add spaces between joined strings. Add a space between each word. Hint: a space should be typed as a space between quotes. Run it. What happened? It should have printed with 3 words with a space between each word. Next, we'll define a string with a new line character marking where you want it to start a new line when printed. In exercise 3, we'll add a new line control to the middle of a string. Replace all the code in the constructor and type the code exactly as shown. Run it. What happened? It should have printed the greeting splitting the line at the /n. In exercise 4, we'll use new line controls to print a blank line between parts of the string. How would you change the greeting so it contains a blank line between the 2 lines of text like this? I'll give you a hint. A second new line must be started between the 2 lines. In exercise 5, you'll learn how to add quotation marks in a string. Replace all the code in the constructor exactly as shown, and try to include quotes as part of what's printed, like this. What happened? You should have received an error. The backslash character we used in /n is referred to as the escape character. You'll need to add the escape character before each double quote you want in a string. Otherwise, Java thinks the quotes are there to begin or end the string. Add escape characters, backslashes, before each double quote that surrounds hi, exactly as shown. Run it. What did it do? It should have printed Annette said hi with quotes around the word hi. But what if you want to include a backslash in a string? Put the escape character, backslash, before each backslash you want in a string. For example, to print https:// you would need to use 4 slashes, https:////. In exercise 6, you'll be able to test your knowledge by determining where the escape character is needed and where it is not needed. Use escape characters where needed to change the code so it prints the following line. Note, not all the fill-in blanks need the escape character. Run it. What happened? It should have printed as my user folder is :C:\users\Annette, period. Key points and more. Joining strings and escape character. Use the plus sign to join strings together. Use the escape character, a backslash, in strings to handle special characters. \n in a string will cause anything that follows it to be printed on a new line. \quote can be used to include a double quote in a string. \backslash can be used to include a backslash in a string. How do you remember which slash is called a backslash? A backslash is a slash whose top falls backwards, and a forward slash is a slash whose top falls forward. In Java, a backslash is the escape character, and a forward slash is the division symbol. Division will be covered in a later lesson. Here are the completed listings for all the listings in this video. This is the end of the fourth and final lesson of the Hello World project. You've created your first project and mastered how to define and use string variables. You also learned how to print a variety of messages to either a window or the console. Our next project is going to be TG2, ASCII Art, where you can get creative generating pictures from typable characters. The ASCII Art project also includes a lesson on how to export programs out of Eclipse. You may then share your programs with your friends so they can run your programs on their computers too.